Okay, class. From subsistence cultivation in Rwanda, let's move to plantation farming in Rwanda. Plantation farming in Rwanda. Another student may call it extensive commercial farming in Rwanda. Here we need to define plantation farming. We also need to know major crops grown on plantations in Rwanda and definitely where these plantations are located. So let's define plantation farming. It is a form of commercial agriculture where a single crop, especially cash crop, is grown on a large scale or on a large area for profit. It is commercial. A single crop, mainly cash crop, is grown and it is grown on a large area for profit. If you analyze this definition, it is the opposite of subsistence cultivation. Now, what are the major plantation crops in Rwanda? Examples of crops grown on plantations in Rwanda. Number one, we have coffee. Everybody knows how coffee looks like because we all consume it in Rwanda. And by the way, Rwanda has the best coffee quality almost in the whole world. So coffee is one of the most successfully grown cash crop in Rwanda. It holds the second position. This is very important. After tea, coffee is the second. It holds the second position of Rwanda's exports. Coffee was first grown in Rwanda in 1902. This is very important. And later it was successfully grown in Kabgayi in 1907. In 1930, Arabica coffee was introduced to the whole country. If you check on this picture here, it illustrates a coffee plantation in western Rwanda. This is how coffee trees look like. Never confuse them with tea trees. Coffee trees maybe are taller than tea trees. Their leaves are not the same. Even when we go to senior 6, you will see the harvesting style is not the same, where the farmers hold baskets. And if you look at how the two give their yields, it's not the same. The coffee seeds are different. I mean, the tea trees do not yield seeds, but coffee yields what? Seeds. Let's look at tea. Tea. This crop was introduced much later than coffee during the colonial times, and it was grown on 2 private farms in districts of Gicumbi and Rulindo. Today, tea is grown at Gisakura, Shagasha, Funda, Mulindi, Nyabihu, Mata, Chitabi, Gisovu, etc. These are tea plantations we have in Rwanda. You can even make research and look for others, but these are the major ones. And your role now is to go and check the district where each plantation or estate is located. If you say Mulindi, you should tell me the district where Mulindi Tea Estate is located. For example, if I cheat for you, this is in Gicumbi district along Katuna Road, Kigali Katuna Road. Tea accounts for about 20% of Rwanda's exports. If you check here and compare this photo or picture with the coffee trees, they are different. Here tea is somewhere in lines. Tea is flat on top with the smaller leaves compared to coffee. And the harvesting style, as I said, is different. If farmers were there harvesting, you would see them carrying baskets on their backs. Thank you.